we'll see $15,000 to $20,000 annually in leaks at these facilities. Our analysts will take an ultrasonic meter, walk around the facility, and capture all the air leaks. What we're doing is we are taking a decibel level reading of each air leak. We take a picture of the air leak and we tag it so it can be found later and repaired. So after they've walked the whole facility, what they're going to do is take all that information back and they're going to generate a report. And our reports have a good picture of every single leak, decibel reading, and an estimated cost according to the Department of Energy on how much those air leaks actually cost your facility. What we do is we compile them all and you'll see a big number. And many times, depends on the size of your facility, but we'll see $15,000 to $20,000 annually in leaks at these facilities. And some of them are smaller, but I would say that's on average. And that helps justify to the plant personnel on the cost of the air audits. We typically also have found that the majority of the leaks that we find are push to connect fittings, they're at the air chucks, or pressure regulators. Air leaks are popping up all the time, and we have one customer. It's a very large facility. They use over 1,000 horsepower air compressor, and we actually do air leak audits at that facility every 6 months. And we used to find lots and lots of air leaks, and we would come in behind and repair them all. Now, every 6 months, we still find 50 new air leaks, and that's us staying on it. That's all brand new air leaks. So just because you had an air leak audit in the last year or 2 years or 3 years doesn't mean you don't need to do it again. So it's very important to stay up on those because the cost of these leaks is so expensive.